Today I will be doing a hair ornament tutorial inspired by Gad. This is really simple and easy, so let's go. So you'll need a glue gun, of course glue, some poster board, or you can use something more sturdy. This is what I had. I have a piece of felt. Now you need some scissors, some fabric, fabric of choice. I chose these because of the little flowers. And some ribbon. Of course, you know what this is from. And I got some little jewels from the Dollar Tree. Had them for a while. I'm gonna use them today though. Some leftover beaded fringes. Oh yeah, and you'll need something that can create a circle and a marker to trace those circles. And now I'm taking my foam board and my plastic cup or bowl, and I'm just tracing circles. Now this will be the base of the hair ornament. Instead of scissors, I'm taking an X-Acto knife, so for those who are underage, make sure you get assistance from your parents. And I'm just cutting around the circle, turning it around, making sure I'm getting it out of there. And I'll just be doing the same thing to the other side. Same thing with the felt, tracing my circles and then cutting them out. Now I can use my scissors. Now if you like the content that Daughters of Sarah has been providing, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to like, comment, and share. So now I have 2 poster boards, 2 felt circles, and my 2 fabric cutouts. Now make sure they are bigger than your foam board circles. This is very important. You'll see why. Now I'm preparing my ribbon. I'm just going to even it out and cut it into 2. And I'm taking my felt and folding it into 4. And now I'm cutting a little slit. And this is going to create 2 holes. Just like that. Now I'm feeding the ribbon through, almost like a button, and just making sure it's even. And that's perfect. Now see, on this other side, you'll see that I have double holes, and that's just because I wanted it closer. And here I am, getting ready to hot glue this thing together. Make sure you're pulling and stretching and making sure that everything is evenly distributed. Now I'm going around the edges, and we're just gonna fold over that excess fabric. See, now you see why it was important for the fabric to be bigger. There they go. Now these are actually cute like this to me, but I'm going to add some beads. Now I'm just marking so that the beads are placed in the right spot. Now I'm hot gluing the felt pieces down. It's important that you make sure you put glue where the ribbon is so it doesn't move. Now this is my new technique, using the back of these scissors, because that hot glue is hot Once again, if you are underage, make sure you are being assisted by a parent. Now these are cute like this. I like them, but I'm a little extra, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this beaded trim all the way around. Make sure you secure everything with the hot glue. I'm gonna go ahead and just hot glue some of these stones up on here, and boom, you know, a little pizzazz. And if you like for things to be a little more simple, these are cute too. And here is the finished product. I think they came out really cute. We just gonna ignore this messy braid right here. I want to show y'all how I just braided the ribbon onto my hair. And okay, what? And if you try this craft, go ahead and take a picture and tag the Daughters of Sarah on Instagram. We'd love to see what you guys come up with. Thank you for watching. Shalom.
They try to tell us that our strength is measured by a man's. That's not true, that's not true. And a woman's role is weakness if we submit to him. Lies, lies, lies. But we know what true power